Lahore, big city in Pakistan, known for its food, has many old buildings. Capital of Punjab province, Lahore, found in there has famous glimmers gardens, found often called heart of Pakistan, very lively city, home to many universities known for its tradition bazaars. Karachi, Pakistan's largest city, major seaport, financial hub, once Pakistan's capital, city of lights, very diverse population, heart of human birthplace of Jinnah, known for its food on the Arabic Sea coast. Hyderabad, it's a big city in Sindh. It's next to the industry river. It used to be Sindh many main city. It has cold old house with wind catchers. There's an old front there. They make lots of grass bills. It has a busy old market. It's a molen about Sindh, a big university. It is there. It get very hot. Multan, it's a big city in Punjab, very old city known as City of Scientists, famous for mangoes, hot weather, has many shares, property is famous there, it's a trading hub, cotton is grown never by, has an old front. Muzaffarabad, main city of Azad Kashmir, it's in the mountains. Two rivers join there, has an old red font, very beautiful place, lots of green areas. Many tourists visit, had a big earthquake once. Oh, people live by rivers, nice view every here, everywhere. Tokyo, capital city of Japan, very big and busy city, lots of tall buildings, known for bright lights, has many trains and birdway subways, famous for sushi and ramen, cherry blossom bloom there, lots of unique fashion, home to the Europe's place, a very clean city. Washington is the capital of the USA, not a state but a special region, has the White House where the president lives, has the Capitol building where laws are made, home to make measures like a movement, has famous moments like Glommal. Cherry blossom boom there, named there George Washington. Many government buildings are there. A very green city with parks. New York, very big city in the USA, often called the big apple, has the streets of liberty, famous for Times Square, has Central Park, many tall skyscrapers, no for Broadway shows, lots of different foods, home to Wall Street, a very diverse city. Moscow, capital city of Russia. Very old and big city, has the famous Red Square, home to the caramel scene, well captured in their colorful drums, known for its beautiful thermal station, gets very cold in winter, has many crunches and creatures, a major center for art and culture, a very busy city. Paris, capital city of France, known as the city of love, has the Eiffel Tower, famous for the love most loneliest people speak French, known for delicious pastas, has the Spring River running through its tight fashion city, many beautiful old buildings, a very popular tourist spot.